This video tutorial I will explain SQL null functions. Null functions return an alternative value if an expression is null. We will see the example so that you will understand. Here you can see the employee table. It has 6 records and one of the employee salary is null in the table. And here I am using the query select employee name and I am multiplying salary value into 12 and displaying that. And here you can see the output. And if you see, the Arun salary is null because the salary value contains null. Instead of null, I want to consider as 0. Then what I can do is I can use if null function or COALESCE function. Here you can see the query select employee name and I am multiplying salary into 12. And if the salary value is null, then it will consider as 0. And here you can see the output, and this time the null value is considered 0 and 0 into 12 is 0, so here I got 0. And here one more query select employee name comma, and here also I am multiplying salary into 12, and instead of if null function I am using COALESCE function. It is equivalent to if null function. If salary value is null, it will consider as 0. I am executing this query, and here you can see the output, and Arun salary is coming as 0. Here you can see the null functions which we can use it in SQL Server database and Oracle database. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.